Hey guys, so today is day 2 of our IA1 science review. We are reviewing more about force and motion. Our goal is to understand how to calculate net force, determine acceleration, and read the two types of motion time graphs. Okay. Before we get into our agenda today and other things science related, I want to make this announcement that this Friday at 9 a.m. office hours, we have a special guest visitor who is a computer scientist. I've invited him to come speak with us about how he got into this field of work, what does he do, and answer your questions. So, Nigel works in computer science on cloud computing. He was drawn to the craft of software engineering because of the agency it provides people to create and interact with worlds of their own creation. His role specifically helps people who create all kinds of computer applications and games and makes them available for everyone to use. His passion in technology is community building, high performance computing, and free and open source software and hardware. So if you are interested, set your alarm for 9 a.m. Friday office hours. Next, I was taking a look at your exit ticket from yesterday, and very few of you completed yesterday's assignment. Okay, you guys need to let me know if there's anything wrong so I can fix these things. But looking at those that answered it, this was the most wrongly answered question. Basically, you were given this picture and asked, what is the acceleration? When you're given multiple forces, you need to figure out that one net force. And we're going to get in detail today in our lesson. And to do that, because these forces are in opposite direction, 35 newtons going to the right, 8 newtons going to the left, you are going to subtract. So I took 35 minus 8 is 27 newtons. I got a net force of 27 newtons. They told me the mass is 20 kilograms. And whenever you get force and mass acceleration, we're dealing with the second law of motion, which is basically F equals ma. To do the force triangle, you find out that to get acceleration, all you have to do is take that force divided by the mass. So that means you take that force number, put in the calculator first, press divide, and then type in whatever was mass. So I took 27 divided by 20, and I got 1.35, and that rounds to 1.4. So the only correct answer is at first one. The box accelerates by 1.4 meters per second squared because there's a net force of 27 newtons to the right. That makes it go to the right. Let's get into our agenda. Do first, review of the 3 laws of motion and focus on first law of motion, motion time graphs, and exit ticket. So you're due first. I'm asking about concepts again. So click on this to see the rest of this. But basically, you are taking a marker and circling only the boxes that show you a complete science concept. Remember, science concepts are science facts, not words, not topics, not questions. They are science facts. Okay. Then you're going to get a review of 3 laws with focus on a first law of motion by watching this video. All you have to do is type in PS5 for the username and PS5 for the password. Then you move on to some notes. Make sure you really study, take your time to look through the details of each slide, balance and unbalanced forces, get a practice problem. Then you get into motion time graphs, you get some notes about it, and then you get some practice matching. And then at the end is your exit ticket. That's all there is to today's review. Today is your math IA, so good luck on that this afternoon. And also, if you have questions, please private message me or email me and I will respond to you by Thursday. Okay? Bye.